Hi there, and welcome to Rich and SJ. If you've not been here before, I'm Rich. SJ is the one behind the camera at the moment, directing me. What we're going to do today is a bit of recycling, repurposing and reusing. We're using the leather from a sofa that belonged to my parents, a piece of oak, which is a leftover from renovating our house, and a hardboard backing from an old picture frame. What we're going to do is turn that into a desk mat, or desk organiser, whichever you want to call it. So that'll be somewhere nice to run the mouse, have a coaster, put the keyboard, maybe a couple of pens, prop the phone up. Just something to keep the desk nice and organised. Let's get the kettle on and get started. My thoughts on the desk mat then. Well, for a quick project that I've made out of basically things that I've got in the garage, I don't think it turned out too bad. A little bit of a test in my skills more than anything. My router skills need a little bit of work. I think I've realised that I either need to use a template or I need to certainly make sure that there's extra support, particularly around the edge of the board. I tried to balance it, which I think failed quite abysmally. Hence the reason why I actually put leather in the middle of the keyboard, coaster and phone holder, because it just never got a smooth enough finish. I think that's a lesson learned more than anything else. The original intention was to just do an all oak holder and then just a leather mat, but you know, it's worked out okay. I've added a couple of little extra bits and pieces. So what we have got is there's a little support for the back of the phone holder. This is basically just a piece of bent metal, just spray black. We've also put on a holder for the cable, the lightning cable, which is useful for when we're charging the keyboard up or plugging the phone in or anything like that. Again, just a scrap of leather, a couple of screws, that's it. But other than that, I'm happy with the result. It's not bad for a start. I think it's triggered some extra ideas. The things that I would probably do differently, if I wanted to do the leather insert for things like the coasters to keyboard and mouse, I think probably one of the better things to do would be to actually route it or cut it out all the way through. Cover the whole backboard with leather and then stick the oak top over the top. Then that way you just get it a lot nicer to finish. You don't then have to trim out the leather to fit inside the board. It was more of an experiment this time, so it was interesting to just little extra bits and pieces I would do differently. So all in all, like I say, a good result. Really happy with it. But a great example of, you know, reusing, repurposing and recycling. That's the end of the video. If you've liked what you've seen, don't forget to hit the thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to hit the subscribe and hit the notification bell if you want to be notified when we put more videos out. And don't forget to share. Thanks a lot. Talk to you soon.